Hello friends, today's tech update is wild and fascinating. Imagine a bunch of mathematicians spent years trying to solve a tricky puzzle in discrete geometry. But guess what? An AI model from OpenAI just cracked it wide open. This isn't just about numbers, it's a game changer for how we think about shapes and spaces. So buckle up as we dive into this mind-bending discovery that could change the future of computer science. This breakthrough is huge because discrete geometry deals with points, lines, and shapes in a way that's essential for many areas of tech. Think of it like building blocks for digital architecture. If we can better understand how these blocks fit together, we can create more efficient algorithms, design smarter cities, and even improve our understanding of the universe itself. OpenAI's model is like a master architect who figured out a complex puzzle no one else could solve. This opens up new possibilities and could lead to innovations we haven't even imagined yet. All right, let's talk about how this OpenAI model actually disproved that conjecture in discrete geometry. Imagine you have a bunch of colorful building blocks. Each block is a point, line, or shape. Now, mathematicians were trying to figure out a really tricky way these blocks could stack without any gaps or overlaps, but no one could quite crack it. That's where the OpenAI model comes in. It's like having a super smart friend who sees patterns that others miss. This model took all those colorful blocks and rearranged them in a way that solved the problem nobody else could solve. It's not just about moving the blocks around, it's about understanding how they can fit together perfectly. This breakthrough is exciting because now we have a new way of looking at shapes and spaces. Think about if you were building a big tower with your blocks. This model shows us that there might be a better, more efficient way to stack them that we never even thought of before. It could mean faster computer programs, smarter city planning, or even new ways to understand the very fabric of space itself. So, next time you're playing with building blocks, remember that OpenAI's model is like having a secret decoder ring for solving complex problems in discrete geometry. It's a big deal for developers and tech builders because it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Alright, so here's the common mistake most people make when trying to solve these types of problems in discrete geometry. They often get caught up in thinking that every solution has to follow a strict set of rules or patterns they've seen before. But let me tell you something really important. Sometimes the answer is right in front of us, and we just can't see it because we're too focused on our usual ways of thinking. You know how when you're stuck on a puzzle, taking a step back and looking at it from a different angle can suddenly make everything clear? That's what OpenAI's model did. It didn't try to fit the pieces into any predefined molds. Instead, it took a fresh approach and found a solution that nobody else could see. So my advice is this: always keep an open mind. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Sometimes the best solutions come from looking at things in a completely different way. So next time you're facing a tricky problem in discrete geometry or any other area of tech, remember that there might be a simple solution right around the corner if you just take a moment to look at it with fresh eyes. Alright, so here's the key takeaway. An OpenAI model has solved a long-standing puzzle in discrete geometry. This breakthrough opens up new possibilities for improving algorithms and understanding space itself. If you're into tech building or just curious about how we think about shapes and spaces, this is a game changer. To wrap it all up, I want to encourage you guys to hit that subscribe button if you like this kind of content. Leave a like if you found it interesting, and drop a comment below with any suggestions on what tech topics you'd love to see covered next. Thanks for tuning in, and keep those minds sharp and coding smart.